Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Handful of Daisies DIY. If you're new here, I'm Elaine. Thanks so much for stopping by. This week I have another Temu haul for you. I really enjoyed all of the things I got on my first purchase. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that below for you. But today I haven't opened the package yet. We're going to open it together. So if you want to see what I picked up, stick around and let's get started. Okay, I have my scissors and my package. One piece is sticking out the top, which I wasn't real happy about. I hope it's not damaged, but we'll see when we open it up. Do you ever buy things and then forget what you bought? Well, can't remember everything that I purchased, so I'm kind of excited to see what's in my package. I don't know if you've ever ordered from Temu before, but it comes really fast. It actually wasn't supposed to be here for another couple of days, but it came early, and it did come US mail. So here's the piece that was sticking out, so let's take a look at that and see, make sure it's not damaged. It looks like it's okay. This is one of the canvases that I purchased. If I can get all the tape off. Okay, so here's what it is. I loved this scene. So it is a really nice heavy canvas. I will build out a wood frame for it. And I'll show you the process in another video when I do that. So I'm really happy with that. And I don't know if you can tell just really how nice and heavy that is. Let's see what else we have. I did get some greenery. These are wreaths. That's really nice. It's not plasticky, which, you know, a lot of times they are, so I really like that one. And this wreath it's grapevine on the back, and then of course I love daisies, so this is daisies. It's probably about 12-inch around. I'll put the prices of everything here on the screen for you as well. So yeah, that's a really nice one as well. A little bit of it is plasticky, but it doesn't really look cheap like some of them can. So I'm happy with that one as well. Let's see what else we got. So another texture. And this one's sealed pretty good. How hard it's going to be to get into this one. Try not to cut it. But it's sealed pretty tight. It's in there. So this is another canvas. I did purchase 3 or 4 different canvases. I needed some wall art. So this one, I love the color of this one. Can you see without the glare? Yeah, I really love that. The colors in that are beautiful. I love the blue. Yeah, that's going to work out really well. Again, that's another one I have to frame. And I got some smaller ones. And my scissors are not very sharp. Let's see what's on this one. Alright, I think there are a couple on this one. Yeah, this one comes with 3 different ones. And I love that they're a little abstract. They look like watercolors. These are going to be so pretty once they're framed. I love those. I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised at the quality. You know, most of the time when you order from somewhere and it's this inexpensive, you get what you pay for. But those are really nice heavy canvases. I picked up this mister bottle as well. I use water when I'm painting a lot, whether it's furniture or pretty much anything I use. If I'm using chalk paint, just to thin it out a little bit. And so this is a mister bottle that will help with that. What's next? Alright, I picked up these sponges, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 10 in here, and here's the price. I always can use extra sponges. I use these when I'm refinishing things as well because they're really good to put top coat on. So I think these are going to work really well. They have the abrasive on one side and then the sponge on the other. So I'll probably use some of these in the kitchen and then some in my craft room as well. The next thing I purchased were just these sandals. Now I have a pair of these already that I purchased on Amazon. I paid twice as much for them on Amazon as I paid for these. Here's the price on these. I'll go back and pull the price on what I paid for the ones on Amazon. So we'll see. I mean, they're a little bit stiffer than the ones on Amazon, but I think they're still going to work out really well. Yep, I like these. All right, what else do we have? Oh, I forgot. I purchased two pair of these. The ones I purchased from Amazon are black. Then I have those gray ones and then these green ones. I love this green color. I love that they're really thick and they support your feet really well. So yeah, I definitely like my black ones, so hopefully those will be as comfortable as the black ones are. The last two things I purchased are dresses. Now that summertime's coming, I do have a wedding that I have to go to, so I purchased this. It is very soft, so I'm excited to try that on. I don't normally purchase clothes online very often just because you never know if they're going to fit properly, how they're sized. So I purchased that blue one and then this green one as well. So these are just really nice summer dresses, where the first one felt a little bit more cotton polyester blend. This one is a little bit, I don't know how to describe it, but I'm not sure exactly what the material is, but I think it will really be cool for the summertime. So yeah, we'll see how those work out. So that's all I purchased in this haul. I'm sure I'll be ordering again soon. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the items I purchased and the prices that I paid for them. Also, have you tried Temu? If you have, let me know in the comments below. Did what you get meet your expectations? I'd be curious to know. Are you buying craft supplies? Are you buying clothes? Because they have everything. So let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching today. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video for a DIY.